All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm just a dude doing things, and today the thing I'm going to be doing is putting a Shore Power outlet in the back of the van. And this is a real easy install. You want to have a Shore Power access when you're traveling, because that means you can plug in your van at a campground or at a friend's house, anywhere with an outlet, and it'll power up your van without using your own electrical system, your batteries, everything. So you can run your 120 volt outlets, and you can run everything else at 12 volt, anything else. So this is a great thing to add to the side of your van. All right, I've got everything laid out on the table that you're going to need. I'm actually using the Explorist.life electrical shore power kit, and that came with the Shore Power outlet and some 10 gauge triplex that already has the ferrules attached to it, so it's just a plug and play thing. As far as tools, you're going to need a drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit, a hole saw with a 2 7/8 inch diameter, a little shop vac, and a box to catch some shavings, and some blue tape, and some goggles. And that's really it. That's all you need. Okay, the next thing you want to do is determine where you want to mount the outlet. And we're going to go about right around here in this little zone right here in the back of the van. It allows for me to have easy access to my electrical setup inside the van. All right, so this is where we're going to put the box, the outlet. And I already had some insulation that I put in there. So I just had to pull back some of this insulation. And then we're going to start off drilling a hole for a pilot hole to run the hole saw. So we'll do that and then get the hole saw going. Okay, that looks like a good spot, wide enough for the box to fit. That's it. Okay, we're going to clean this hole up a little bit, kind of deburr it, file it out, and then give it a little bit of a Rust-Oleum to paint the metal that's exposed. Okay, next you're going to want to take your outlet and line it up with the hole you just drilled. Make sure you look at it from the top side, that hole is being covered by the gasket that's on the back side of the outlet. And then you're going to go and make pilot holes in each one of these. All right. Now I'm going to do a cleanup on that. Okay, you want to take this and disassemble this back piece. Now you can feed your wire through.